Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to convert Excel to Google Sheets. Friends, if you want to convert Excel file to Google Sheets, then you need to open google.com in your web browser. Now here you need to click on Google Apps. Now here select Sheets. Now here you will find Open File Picker. Click on it. Now select the location of your Excel file. Like my file is on my computer, so I will click on upload. Now click on browse. Now here select the location where your Excel file is saved. Now select your Excel file and click on open. Now it has automatically converted your Excel file to Google Sheets. So friends, like this you can very easily convert your Excel file to Google Sheets. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.